Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your wallpaper in WhatsApp. Now let's begin. Do you know that I have already installed the application in my mobile device and it's updated to the latest version? In case you have not, do update it right now. What we want to do right now is simply want to change our wallpaper. Now let's begin. At the very top, the rightmost section, you will find these three dots. Just click on it and something like this will open up. From here, you can create a new group, broadcast and such, but right now, we simply want to go to settings. Once you're in the settings page, simply scroll down till you find something like chats. It's right here, just click on it. Well, there are lots of settings here, but we only need to focus on the display tab. Right here is the theme, you can change the theme from right here as well. And below it is the wallpaper, simply click on it. Now once you're in this page, at the bottom, you can also see this wallpaper dimming scroll bar. You can drag it left and right such that it suits you. And right here in this green icon, there's something like change, simply click on it. Now this will open up. Now from here, you can change the wallpaper. Here are the multiple wallpapers like bright, dark and solid colors. You can also select from your photos as well. Select any one of your choice. And from here, among all these choices, just select any color which suits you. Once everything's okay, simply click on set wallpaper. Well guys, that's it. That's how we change your wallpaper on WhatsApp. Do you know that you can also add your own photos as a WhatsApp wallpaper? Well guys, that's it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this too, remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.